Your employer is offering a choice of 2 different dental plans with Delta Dental. And it's widely known that Delta Dental provides the best dental coverage in the industry for dental insurance. And your employer is offering 2 different approaches. The first approach with Delta is the Copower Delta Care 12A plan. And what this is a dental HMO plan. And so under this particular type of plan, there's no charge with the office copay. Your preventative cleaning, which has the dental code of 1110, is no charge for the first 2 cleanings per year. And your preventative x-rays are covered at no charge. An amalgam single surface filling, meaning a filling that only covers one surface of a tooth, is a $5 copay. Your root canals would be on the molar would be a $280 copay. And by the way, all these numbers here are dental codes under the plan, because every procedure under dental has a dental code that's affiliated with it, and therefore would have a copay because this is an HMO. Your gingivectomy per quadrant is a $135 copay. For full upper and lower dentures, it's a $430 copay. Your single extractions, which are what we call simple extractions, would be a no charge. And then a extraction that is complete bony extraction would be a $95 copay. Now, this doesn't take into consideration, this is extractions that would be done in a dentist's office. If you need oral surgery, there's an entirely different cost. Porcelain with metal crown would be a $295 copay. And then the orthodontia copay under this plan is $1,700 for a child, $1,900 for an adult. And keep in mind on orthodontia that this copay of $1,700 or $1,900 does not include the case study. And typically a case study is going to run you around $350 for orthodontia work. So this again is just a sample list of some of the procedures that are done under this dental HMO A plan, the 12A HMO A option with Copower, and this offers you good value for folks that go on this type of plan. They typically like a plan that's copay driven and that doesn't have a maximum benefit in a particular calendar year. This plan has a list of dentists that you must go to, and these dentists are the Delta Care USA dentists. So if you go to Delta Dental INS and you're looking up the dentists, which we'll show you how to do, you will find that these dentists are the ones under the Delta Dental INS Delta Care dentists. This plan over here is the Copower Delta PPO 2000, and what this does is allows you to go to whatever dentist that you want to go to, but simply understand that if you go to a non-contracted PPO dentist, that they're going to pay the PPO contracted rate. Your individual deductible under this plan is a $50 deductible. And the family deductible is $50 per member. The annual maximum under this plan is $2,000. In other words, once $2,000 have been reimbursed to you under this plan, then the plan coverage for the rest of the year would pay nothing. Your preventative, which is your teeth cleaning and your x-rays, are going to be covered at 100%, and it does waive the deductible for preventative, meaning that that 100% happens without having that $50 deductible. The rest of the benefits are subject to the $50 deductible. Your basic, what we call the drill and fill, are paid at 80%. And endodontic and periodontic, which would be root canals, and your gum diseases are paid also at this 80% level, which means you're going to pay 20% of the negotiated fee. And then the major work is paid at 50%, which would be crowns and dentures and such, and you would pay 50%. There is no waiting period for major work under this plan. The orthodontia copay is not covered for children or adults under this plan, and you can see the costs that are affiliated with this underneath, and we will explain how those costs work towards what you're allocated from your employer. If you have any questions regarding the dental insurance that's being offered through your employer, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Craig Prince. My telephone number is area code 909-590-4405, extension 102. Or feel free to call me on my cell phone, and that is area code 909-717-9735.